Hey, I'm Eddie, and here's a quick look on the horror sound design that I've done in this episode of Single Shots. Alright, welcome to my session, and this is where I give you a quick overview of what's happening over time. During the beginning, I like to have some big sounding drum, just to give it a grand entrance. And to put us into this environment that we're in, we need some nice sounding ambience, such as some cricket sounds, some quiet street sounds, as well as some dogs barking in the background. To set the tone for this whole video, I've basically sound designed a couple of drones. One of it is like a howling kind of drone, where I've basically recorded my own howling and processing it through reverses, delays, and reverbs. And the next one is basically putting on a layer of a metallic drone sound that builds the tension up through the video. Alright, after some walking and then some knocking and a wooden door opens in a creaking manner, I've basically simulated a wind tunnel where I've put in some wind bushes as well as some winds, and then I did some automation to create movements. And this is where it gets interesting, where I have to support the storyline of me looking left and then right. So I've sound designed a poltergeist inspired laughter. Have a listen. Next up, I just want to build this tension up even more so that I can emphasize on something is coming up, in this case a taxi. So what I put into the timeline is basically a riser, and that helps to emphasize that point. And after the taxi has passes us by, I just want us to come to a realization that the door is actually closed. So I need something to actually make this point more obvious, maybe a hit with a riser, so that we have a surprise coming in from the left. And to emphasize on why sound is important, I'll play you two videos. The first video, I'll play you the sound from its original source, which is the camera mic. And the next video would be with the sound designed. Okay, so this is my thought process, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll answer them as much as possible. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Alright, that's it. I hope you guys find this useful, and click on subscribe down below because we have more coming. My name is Eddie. Until next time.